Hello Buzzhead! Today we'll show you how to easily remove and replace the AirPods on Skullcandy Crusher Evo sensory bass headphones. This tutorial will be useful if you have damaged or old AirPods and want to replace them without buying new headphones. You also have the option to personalize your headphones by choosing different colored AirPod cushions. To remove the AirPod, grab the pod from the inside with your index finger and pull it away, as the AirPod is held to the body of the headphones by a gap. If there is any dirt under the AirPod, clean it off as it may interfere with the sound of the headphones. The other AirPod cushion can be removed in the same way. When you are ready to put the new AirPods back on, the first task is to stretch the edge of the AirPod. This will make it easier to put the pod on the headphones. Then hook the edge of the AirPod behind the groove in the headphone housing and twist in a circle until the AirPod is on top. Remember that the seam of the AirPod must be down. Then do the same for the other side. It is important to hold the AirPod in place when you rotate it in a circle so that the pod does not slip out of the groove of the headphone body. That's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video.